If you're looking for your next lock, twist, or braid style, we recommend trying our RUWA Braiding hair. RUWA is not made with your average braiding fibers, but with a highly engineered, water repellent, and flame retardant fibers called Aquatex from Kanekalon. This hair was originally created to be water repellent and extremely fast drying, making it perfect for our more active consumers. But now it is simply the most popular braiding hair on the market, and it has become available in almost every beauty supply store in the US. RUWA comes in the basic 24-inch folded 3X pre-stretch pack, but it also comes in multiple lengths from 18 to 30 inches fully folded. We also have a variety of texture options such as Bohemian, Afro Twist, and our very popular water wave hair. RUWA has a more yaki-based texture and is pre-stretched and pre-layered for convenience in braiding. It is smooth to the touch, super lightweight, and just a quality braid overall. It's also able to be hot water set and flame retardant with premium Kanekalon Aquatex fibers. RUWA comes in many different color options, from standard colors to pastel colors, two-tones, and even neon colors. And due to the fact that it has a water repellent coating, it lessens any color bleeding as long as the coating has not worn off under extreme heat conditions or prolonged use. The water repellent technology behind RUWA means that it repels water from its fibers, allowing for an extremely fast drying time. Your braids won't look unreal or float in water, but it naturally repels moisture off your braids, keeping them as clean and as dry as possible. What's unique about this feature is that it also means that your braids will stay lightweight at all times, even after washes, so that your hair will never be heavy when wet. So if you're looking for a new braiding hair, we definitely recommend trying out RUWA. So be sure to check out Sensational.com for more product reviews, and as always, thanks for watching.